I'm Ryan Emmons, VP of Customer Success here at latakoo. We've had a lot of people asking about our transcription services. It comes with your account. It's end-to-end. It's everything you need. You don't need 2, 3, 4, 5 different apps to do everything that latakoo does. When you have latakoo, you have automatic transcription. Upload your video and a transcript will generate shortly after the content is produced, and we really mean shortly. Open the clip in latakoo Pilots.
There is a lot that you can do with transcription.
When you play the video, the transcription will scroll with the video. To turn this feature off, just tap the purple lock tab to unlock the scroll feature. Tap it again to turn the feature on. At the bottom of the window, you can turn on Pilot closed captioning. Tap the icon and tap the language. Repeat this process to turn closed captioning off. Search keywords in transcription to find a soundbite.
They're gonna pay a fortune.
Tap the action button to the left and choose Copy to Clipboard. You'll notice the text is highlighted in violet. Scroll to where you need the byte to end and tap the clipboard to the left. Now you can paste that text into your script, complete with a verbatim, in and out points, and a total runtime. So you don't want to download a 20-minute clip for a 15-second soundbite? I wouldn't either. Tap the action button where you want the byte to begin. Choose Clip. Notice the text becomes highlighted in violet. Scroll to the out point you need and tap the scissors to the left. In the pop-up window, name the clip and choose a network for this new clip to reside. This new clip will be complete with a transcript and the original clip is undisturbed for others to use. You can download closed captioning. At the top and right of the transcription, hit the download icon and choose the format you prefer. The closed captioning document will download where you have selected all web downloads to go. Remember, latakoo uses AI for transcription. Should you find an error in spelling, simply tap the Action tab, choose Edit Queue, and then type in the correction and tap Save in the bottom left of the editor. We use this all the time because AI is still learning some proper nouns, like latakoo. Should a transcription not come in completely, or if there are multiple languages in the video, you can retranscribe at the top of the section and choose the language that's needed. Simply tap the Rerun Transcription and choose the language. You can watch the progress by clicking on the Jobs tab at the top of the section. What's great, if you need a transcription translated into multiple languages, we've got a button for that. At the top of the section, toggle over the Translate tab. When activated, you can scroll or keyword search for the language you need. We have over 133 languages, so unless you're looking for Klingon, I think we got you covered. Choose as many languages as you need. When you're finished translating, you can toggle between the languages by tapping the selector. You can also download any of these translated transcriptions. I hope this tutorial has been really helpful for you. As always, we are here, we are listening. If you have questions, comments, feature requests, let us know. And happy latakooing!